Hi everyone, good evening. Okay. So today, we are going to discuss about Salesforce certified CPQ maintenance exam. So how we are going to complete this maintenance exam? Let's see. So we need to hit on this link. It should be like either into the Salesforce file file heads and all. Okay. So now, okay. So this is the maintenance certification exam. So now we need to hit on this link. So it should be when we need to complete means we need to complete April 5, 2024. Okay. So we have to go with this certification maintenance exam, spring 2020, spring 23. So now hit on this one. Okay, this is the model. If you want to go through all the steps one by one, you can go through all the steps. And if you want to go to directly questions, then we can also do that. So before that, we need to go with all step by steps. But I already went this subject. So if you want to continue, then you can continue. Then I can go with directly to the answers. Okay. Or else we have one more option called we need to search with keywords. Let's say Salesforce CPQ external configuration will now work in enhanced domains, right? So what was the final step to upgrade the CPQ package setting? Enhanced domains. Let's say take one keyword called enhanced domains. Let's copy this keyword and paste it and go to this. So enhanced domains and to go enhanced domains. Okay. Salesforce CPQ external configuration is completed with enhanced domains. Okay. And what was the final step? Okay, the final step should be like this one. In the external configuration, configure the URL field, stay, paste the URL and click the save. So this is the answer. Like we need to check that. Is there an answer for that? So select the copy URL from the result post pages. Okay. So paste and save the URL for external configured URL. Okay, this is the answer. Why? Because we have the answer here. So final step. Paste the URL and click save. So this is the like answer. Okay, first one. Yeah. And coming to this. So how many levels of nested child products can be configured within Salesforce CPQ? External configurator. External configurator, right? So just take this keyword, CPQ external configurator as a keyword. Just take this copy and try to paste it here. So there, CPQ external configurator. Okay. Create more complex nested bundles. Okay. CPQ external configurator, child products, the nested bundles include the two level of the nested child products can include two level of nested bundles and level of the nested options. Okay. So where there is a change applies to classes. Mhm. The nested child products include the two level of nested bundles. Right? Is there any other way? Only two. Let me think. Okay, nested should be how many levels, right? So if we go to there, now configure the bundles contain up to three level of nested bundles, right? So the answer should be like three, three means like three. Okay. Okay. So which Salesforce license now includes the customer assets lifecycle management. So lifecycle management, let's copy this lifecycle management, control copy paste there. Customer CPQ plus license, CPQ plus license, right? Now go to check is there an option. Okay, CPQ plus license. CPQ plus license, we have option called. So here it is the Salesforce CPQ plus license. Now we have equal the products customer. Okay, that should be the right answer. B. Okay. So which method improves the security in the external calculation service? Just take this keyword, copy, try to paste it here. Okay. So external service calculation. What was the pricing method? This pricing method. What was this pricing method? So user and short-lived active taken. So means like user integration method. Is there any option for that? Okay. So user use integration for calculations. Okay, use the option. And now go to another one. Which method allows the sales rep to create multiple entirely same child products? Multiple same child products. Just take create multiple entries. A keyword that is control U. There is no keyword for that. Same child products. Copy. Paste there. So when by using the dynamic option selection. Okay. So let's we go with like dynamic option for that. So dynamic option selection method. Okay. So now we can verify all the answers. So it should be like A and should be like 3, like this CPQ plus license and user integrations, dynamic options. Okay. So now we are going to verify the challenge now. Okay. So now successfully verified like CPQ specialist certification spring 2023 certification entrance exam has been successfully completed. So this is the way we are going to complete the maintenance exams for all the certifications and close this. And if we go to here, so it will be reflecting the 3 to 4 hours of time. Once the certification maintenance exam has been completed, then it will be reflecting within the 3 to 4 hours of the time. Then automatically it will be reflecting, and now it should be like it is showing as active here. Maintenance days will be there, right? So it will be updating automatically next 3 to 4 hours. Okay. Thanks for watching.